everyone, it's Wendy. I'm on to show you a little journal that I've just finished making. This is for a monthly challenge in Lavender Blu journals on Facebook, and it's hosted by Fiona Colley. What we had to do was use her kit, which was the Postcards from Rose kit on her Etsy, and just come up with a little journal. It's a shabby chic vintage type kit. It was very pretty. I just loved it. So what I used envelopes. This here is a large envelope, and I've kind of like trimmed it down just so that I could get a nice size for the journal. So the journal's 5.5 by 8 inches, and I've added a few little fold outs in it. I've just got it tied with some seam binding. So for the base, I think you can just see it here and there. And up there I used her backing papers and then just cut one of the other images more or less in half. So this is the back half, or the other side of the front. On the front I've put on one of the postcards for pocket, and then one of the little embellishment pockets here, and these are some of the little embellishments or ephemera that come with it. With these I've made them into journaling cards and just glued them onto some index card. So I've got a little pocket there. This one here, the backing paper is from the kit, and I just decorated it with some of the stuff that I had here in my supplies. It's pretty paper, isn't it? It's pretty design with the flowers and the little postcards, and I have just added a little butterfly on there. So it's one signature, and the front and back have got like little flip outs and pockets and stuff like that. Okay, this I've used some of the pages in the signature. I haven't used them all. I think I ended up with 1 or 2 pages over, but you know, it's just how I flowed at the time. I made a little library card pocket here, and that's just one of my other digis I had here. So it's got that there. This card part is from the kit, from Fiona's kit. These little pieces of ephemera are from the kit, and the backing paper here. I've just added a little butterfly because I love butterflies. I just made a little folded journaling card out of the papers and put that on it there from the kit. And then that opens up, and I'm thinking, well, you could add a photo there or something. Now I did have I thought I had a couple of pockets. So in the pockets I'm just going to put some of my vintage ephemera. These are like ads that you could use in your journal. So I'm thinking that there could be like a photo placed, or you could even do journaling. And then we have this here. The top part here is a pocket, and these are the little pieces of ephemera made into journaling cards. So just put that in there. And then this one here folds up, and I did cut a rose off and just placed it on there just for decoration. And then a little tuck spot just there, and then that closes down, and we can open up this here, and I've put a belly band here and just made some more journaling cards. and they just sit behind there. And I'm making sure I'm back in shot. And then I've made like a double pocket on this page here, and also put on one of the little pockets that comes from the kit. Look at these are so cute. I just dropped one on the floor. Good one, Wendy. There we go, I've got it. These are just like little miniature postcards with writing on them. They're so cute, and I just backed them onto some coffee dyed index card, not coffee dyed paper. I've been coffee dyeing paper. I've got that on my mind. And this is just another ephemera, and on here it says from Rose. It's pretty cute, isn't it? So I've just got that there and those there. And then the tags as well. I hope these tags were from the kit. I can't remember now. I think they were. I had a few different pieces on my table. This is lovely. I love these colours here, the lime green. So I just made some of the papers. Oh, that one there was actually a postcard, but this one here was just an offcut from one of the other larger papers, and that can just go in there. So that folds out down there, and just tie that around there. And then the journal, I just used a mixture of tea dyed papers and other papers that I had here, as well as some of the what have I got on there, as well as some of the from the kit, some pages from the kit. Okay, so I'll just quickly go through these. That's another one from the kit. I only done them on one side because I like having the pages different. So I like a white page with something else, if you understand that. A little bit eclectic. Okay. These are just some old vintage printables from My Supplies. Isn't that pretty? That's from a Daphne's Diary. Okay. So these pages here I've tea dyed, which I don't normally do. I normally coffee dye them, but I don't know, I just thought let's try some tea. And I like how they're they're subtle compared to the coffee dyed. And Daphne's magazine pages, that's the back of that one there. It's pretty cool, isn't it? So I really just like mixing up my pages in the journal. Okay, and that's the back page. And then over here I thought, because it's postcards from Rose, I'd have to put a picture of Rose somewhere in it. So I just used one of these little stickers that I had. I made this into, this is an envelope, a windowed envelope pocket, and just put a big tag in there, and this is from the kit as well. It's so pretty, very classy. So that just goes in there, and we can tie that back up. This, what are they called? Like something like a coin pouch or something. This was actually a challenge a week or two ago in Fiona's group, Lavender Blu Journals. So then that opens up like that. This paper here is from the kit. I thought you could put a nice photo, or you could even journal on there. And this is an envelope from the postcards from Rose kit. and we've got here from Rose, and then I made just another journaling card in here, and that just tucks down there, and just decorated up this page here, and of course put a butterfly on it, and then that one opens up like that there. There's another space for like photo and a bit of journaling, and up here I have made a pocket with a couple of little tags. These little tags here, they're from the kit as well. This one here is just like an offcut that I've cut from another piece of paper. I put in a little butterfly window just here, and that opens up there, and I have a belly band across here with a couple of more pieces of ephemera from the kit. They're so pretty, aren't they? So just slide those ones in there, and then that one opens up here, and that's another little pocket from the kit and ephemera. That's the backing paper I used. And then down here I have another 3 little pockets. There's this little pocket here, then there's another one there, and then there's a bigger one here at the back that I've just added a postcard to, and just made some journaling tags. And these ones here, these are little envelopes. They are so cute, aren't they? And in the envelopes there's the little postcard ephemera in each one of those envelopes. They are so cute. They're so little. So there's 3 of those, and I've just put one of those little postcards in each of them. And the last one just there, and they're just sitting in that little envelope there. I've used some of the little postcards as well just to decorate my page, and I did use some, I think they're Tim Holtz words on here as well. A dream is a wish your heart makes. Okay, so that's my project for Fiona's challenge for September. It's so pretty. Okay, and it's all made from envelopes. The cover, and then these as well. I think there's another pocket there that I didn't put anything in, but I did grab just a couple of vintage ads just to place in them. Okay, so that's it. I hope you like it. I think it looks rather cool. Just a little one signature journal, and just using a bit of seam binding just to hold it all together. It was really good. I done it over the weekend, and I think I just needed to do one in a hurry after putting bits and pieces in the one that I've been doing all year. Okay. Alright, so that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much, Fiona. It's a beautiful kit. So I'll leave all of Fiona's details down in my description. You might like to pop over there and have a look at her Etsy store. Is it Etsy? Yes, Etsy. And have a look at all of her digitals. Okay, thanks everyone. You all have a great day, and I'll catch you later. Bye bye.